morning is a very exciting morning. We're in Cappadocia. We're up at 5, out the door, heading to a spot we found yesterday. Hopefully it's not too packed there. I'm not holding my breath.
The sun doesn't rise till 7, so...
We thought, let's get there way early.
It's so cold in Cappadocia, I can't believe it. It's like freezing. Got my huge jacket on.
Cait's bringing out the big gun of a dress today, I've been told.
Oh,
it's the weapon.
It's my twirly red dress.
Anyway, we'll see how we go. I'm not going to be too disappointed in whatever happens this morning because we're going to be sitting there watching the sunrise with all these hot air balloons in one of the best spots I've ever been. Let's get it.
This is us. We out here in the middle of the freaking bush in the pitch black.
Do what you got to do.
And we've got a dog friend. Hi friend. He's been following us since the town.
This is pretty cool.
Kind of creepy.
Well, we were worried that people were going to be here.
Not a soul.
But
They might start coming later though, because sun doesn't rise till 7, so...
We've got about an hour.
I think like this is too early.
That's good.
I think it's too early. It's like pitch black.
Sweet. We made it to our little spot here. The city is just sort of waking up. Down there is where they all take off from. So we're in a pretty good spot, I think. But it's 6 a.m, still dark. Cait's cold. See what happens, eh?
Alright, you can see them all starting to light up with fire now. There's heaps over there. And then there's some in front of us here. Look. Wow, they're huge.
I need to document what you've done with my socks.
My feet were actually frozen,
What she's done to my socks.
These photos are kind of shit.
But it's looking good. It's looking real good.
They're all pretty up there now.
Update on where we're at now. We've got everything up here now. We've got weddings. A very frozen Cait.
Oh, I'm actually frozen. I think I have frostbite.
But the views. Damn. Advice you would have for yourself 2 hours ago?
Wear winter clothes, like actual full winter clothes.
Like, look up on the ridge. All up here. We're on our own. There's like full-on wedding shoot. People everywhere. Cait has fully cracked it. This has been Cait ever since we got home. She's in a state of woundedness. Get up. We need to go and eat.
It's cold.
Put your flat back. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, distinguished guests. The last time you saw us was this morning, and we were coming off the back of a pretty significant wind. Then we went home to unpack, and Caitlin slept for 5 hours.
4.
As payback, I bring you the first and hopefully an ongoing saga called Wife Learns How to Fly the Drone. She's the business owner, she's the money maker, the breadwinner.
You are.
And she's going to learn how to fly the Mavic today. Going to do some running along this elegant ridge here. She's going to snap it all up in 4K goodness. You love filming in 4K, don't you? Are you excited?
No, I'm going to crash it, Brayden.
It's going to be epic. You have to cooperate. Pull down.
Oh! I was trying to go outways. Because these wings need to go out. It's a really bad idea.
It's a sweet idea. Step 1. You got to calibrate the compass.
Oh.
You know how to do this. Tap position.
You can do it. Vertical. Done.
Now, much like your camera, what do you want to film on? 4K?
No, I hate 4K.
I've been shooting in 2.7 at 60.
120 shutter.
120 shutter. You're good to go. Are you ready for this?
No.
Okay, both joysticks down and inwards.
Brayden, you can come and take it off.
No, just do it.
What?
Both joysticks down and inways. Now the left joystick up.
Do I take both off?
Yeah. Now left joystick up. All. Nah, go.
No.
Go.
I'm gonna kill someone.
Nah, come on.
Right, I don't want to. Come on.
Okay, I've set it up for you. I'm gonna run along this ridge, all majestic like. All you gotta do is get this joystick to the left and watch the drone. It's just gonna go in a straight line that way. I've already foolproof tested this theory. You going? Go to the left.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What do you think of that?
Didn't like it. It was scary.
I think she nailed it. I put it on active track and Cait held the remote.
Yeah, just kidding. That wasn't me. This is the one that I filmed.
Oh, it sucks. I don't run.
there's a rock. Yeah.
Anyway, if that's what I contribute to this business, flying the drone, then I'm pretty happy with that.
Everyone just wants drone footage, mate. That's all they hire us for.
Okay, since then, some pretty significant things have transpired, and that particular drone has got quite the headache. I'll show you what I mean. My little dude has copped it. Not to go into too much detail, I think you can sort of figure out what happened to him. But I can play this clip to give you an idea. I got a little bit too involved in the drone. I was too in it, and I hit a tree. My little man is right there, all the way up there. This is less than ideal.
Oh my god, it's out!
What do you reckon, mate?
I can't believe that's a bullet wound.
So that drone has not one, but 2 bullet holes in its head, and it still flies. That's pretty impressive, DJI. Well, rest in peace, little fella. One day. This was episode 1. I guarantee part 2. In Finland. And then again in Ireland.
Maybe in Finland, because if I crash it, it'll just crash into snow.
Yeah. There will be part 2. Caitlin is going to fly through something like, if I could get her straight through there. That's the level that you're going to be at by the end of this trip. You're going to be crushing the drone, drinking black coffee, having a little bit of whiskey when you feel like it, eating mushrooms.
I already ate mushrooms. Why are you trying to change me?
I'm not. You're evolving. There's a difference. Anyway.
So take with you 1,000 kisses.
The Coat's a Cait hotel, and we asked if we could book, and he said €150 cash. So we're gonna go get €150 out and book it.
It's clear sky, not a breeze to be had, so I'm pretty hopeful that we're going to see everything that we need to see. If not,
High five. Do you know that? Why don't they have a high five sign?
I know, this high five was awesome. Almost as good as S Club.
Oh, shit. Stepped in like a thing. Dirt.
Yeah, spin. Spin. We're going back to the room now to do quite a bit of editing. I feel like I say this all the time, but at this point in this video, if we ever get to this video, like we're still in the process of editing our wedding video, which was a month ago. Well and truly behind.